A very good evening to everyone and a very good evening, Anupama ji.
Hello.
Okay, I think now people are joining us. Yes, yeah. Okay, please join everyone. We are very sorry for the inconvenience. And this we can't help it out.
Every life has a different story.
I swear. So I think how many people have joined? I'm not able to see that.
I think I can see one person at the moment. So let's start the discussion.
Okay.
Recorded live pe people can watch us any which ways.
All right. I think that will be good too.
So
Yes.
I think we started with the basic on who is vulnerable with heat and mental health. For all those who are seeing the second part, the first part is already there on both our handles. So you can just watch who is vulnerable to heat and mental health. And this is a very important discussion. Yes. So what are the signs, Neha, that we should watch out for?
See, I'm talking about the two categories. The very first category is a very simple one, which we all are aware, but we might have not seen that from the perspective which can be seen. So the very simple perspective is that if you are having that irritation inside you, at times hota hai, we are doing some work and without any reason, we start going very irritated. We are starting having that mood swings. We are not able to understand why we are not able to focus or concentrate on the things. So these are the very simple a very common sign which you can actually check that okay, there is something which is not going normal with us, waking up in the morning not having a good mood, might be too much of that sunlight creating too much of stress inside us. See, it's a very simple quotation that if everything goes on the excessive side, the mental health breaks down. So this applies everywhere, right? So if we are not able to see ourselves justified, we are not calm, we are not able to relax ourselves in our work, these are the early common physiological sign which we need to check that there is something questionable. Now I'm talking about the hierarchical second part of the signs. These signs are that, with the mood swings, your physical body is not telling you the right click. Now, when I talk about your physical body, might be you're having a BP shoot ups, might be you're having too much of sweating, might be there is you're having excessive nausea, you're having those headaches, palpitations. So again, see, when I talk about physical signs, it is automatically related with your physiological signs. So this psychological physiological combination gives you a mental break that okay, there is something which is not okay with us, so we need to break ourselves. So these are the common signs which we all can check, and if these two things combine with each other, definitely we have a higher level of anxieties, we have higher level of stress, we have higher I will say a spectrum of depression. I am not talking about depression right now because depression itself is a very big word. So when I say spectrum of depression, means that you are at the zero point 0.0 starting line of depression that can lead to n number of physiological and psychological problems.
So just adding to this part with chakras, because I get into the chakra angle ekdam se in a second.
But
So
that is always related.
बिकॉज वो पूरा जो फ्लक्चुएशन की हम एक बात कहते हैं ना 50 से 5 डिग्री के बीच की
Yes,
फ्लक्चुएशन, तो
yes,
उसका एंगल हमारे पूरे एनर्जी सेंटर्स पे पड़ता है. सो
right.
फॉर एग्जांपल रूट चक्रा इमीडिएटली आपको पता लग जाएगा विद यूटीआई. दैट्स योर फर्स्ट बिगेस्ट साइट.
Okay, okay.
पानी नॉर्मली हम लोग एसी के कमरों में बैठते हैं, सो मॉइस्चर फ्रॉम विद इन आवर बॉडी इज गेटिंग इवेपोरेटेड, तो नी जॉइंट्स में पेन, back pains, UTIs, these are very common around in both sides, 50 degrees and 5 degrees. दोनों में ये काफी common रहता है. Sacral is more about creativity and more about your emotional response. तो ये वो emotional angle आपका पूरा वहां पे होल्ड करके रखा हुआ है बैलेंस का. So जो आपने कहा ना बैलेंस ऑफ इमोशंस, वो वहां पे sacral healing can help from a chakra healing perspective for those who want to go that route. Then digestion. A lot of times people are like कि digestion में बड़े issues हैं, between lack of digestion and too much there's loose motions, तो वो solar plexus में आ जाता है. So yellow is the color solar plexus chakra for those people. Then you were saying anxiety, stress. So that's a lot to do with the heart. BP issues बढ़ जाते हैं लोगों के around this time.
Yes,
So
yes.
again, so that cuts into the heart area. In throat again, जैसे मैंने कहा पानी लोग usually हमारा moisture जो है कम हो जाता है because of either AC or over sweating. जब
Okay.
sweats बहुत ज्यादा है, so again वो throat पे भी असर करता है because हमारा throat जो है गला सूख रहा है, जो हम बार बार कहते हैं गला सूख रहा है अंदर से. So that is where the issue comes. Then headaches जो आप कह रहे थे, so headaches then come to the third eye chakra. Migraine के cases बढ़ जाते हैं, रात को ठीक से नींद नहीं आ रही है. And crown chakra becomes for the total inner peace and total inner balance. वो जो हम कहते हैं ना एकदम हम फ्लस्टर हो जाते हैं गर्मी में, एकदम यार ये बहुत ज्यादा है मेरे, टू मच हो गया चेंज ऑफ वेदर. सो दैट इनर पीस इनर काम, इसलिए साउथ इंडिया में यू विल सी अ लॉट ऑफ women wearing jasmine flowers right
Okay.
here on their head.
For coolness.
Yes.
Okay.
And chandan ka tika becomes a very important thing because then your third eye stays calm with that. So ये छोटे छोटे tips and tricks है जो हमारे मतलब पूर्वज करते चले आ रहे थे, कहीं हमने अपने मॉडर्न लाइफ को जीते हुए इन चीजों को छोड़ा है. कुछ लोग अभी भी कंटिन्यू कर रहे हैं. So just those little tips and tricks, I thought I'll add that here.
I'm very curious to know this, that when we talk about, you're talking about these chakras, so just randomly one question came in my mind. You're talking about that jasmine flower wala thing. So if we are not applying that on our, is it like
Head.
that we can keep those flowers somewhere around in the home? So might be that the aroma, or might be that
Yes,
can,
बिल्कुल.
that can happen.
बिल्कुल. डिफ्यूजर ऑयल के जैसे हम अगरबत्ती, नॉर्मली हम लोग के घर में अगरबत्ती हम जलाते ही हैं. अगर आप हवन कप जला रहे हैं तो डिफ्यूजर ऑयल को आप हवन कप में भी डाल सकते हैं. फ्लावर्स को हम खरीद के कहीं पे भी हैंग कर सकते हैं. सो चंदन.
Even it improves our concentration, like, again a thinking pattern, again a mood pattern. So these are the things which heal automatically. Okay, okay.
So we've discussed signs to watch out for. Moving forward is coping strategies. Abhi we've kind of started with coping strategies. These was more of chakra ones जो अभी हमने discuss किया. But from a psychology point of view, what would you suggest? कि इसमें क्या कुछ चीजें, कुछ tips that you would want to suggest?
More than a psychological point of view, I will add physiological and psychological point, because this is a topic which is more of your physical body rather than the see, physical body effect hoti hai automatically the psychological thing. So when I talk about certain coping strategies, the very first effective, and I am very sure that people who are watching live or might be who will watch later on, they all are aware what we don't do, which is meditation, a very simple thing to go ahead with. It actually helps a lot when I talk about your mood swings, when I talk about irritation, agitation, when I talk about your stress levels, when I talk about mood swings. So see how many different parameters of psychological disturbances I have told, and the one simple solution is your meditation. And it actually helps a lot. It calms your mind, body, soul. So automatically, you are absolutely in your own zone. Then if I talk about certain more coping strategies, definitely make sure that, this is again physical, pattern and physiological pattern changes. Drink a lot of water, and not just water, I will say. Try to have some alkaline things with it. Now when I talk about the alkaline thing, that doesn't mean that you have to buy something very expensive one. You can simply add on, at your home only, you can add cucumber in your water. You can have, we have so good things with us, pudina leaves, coriander leaves we have. So just add on those things. Make sure that the water has changing its, purity, and, the nature, simply the nature of the simple thing. So these are simple steps which you can do, and definitely you can see that there is a lot of changes when it comes to your heat pattern and your body responses.
True. I just add one little thing here for all the
Please.
busy bees जिनके पास बिल्कुल टाइम नहीं होता, खीरा काटने का भी टाइम नहीं अगर आपके पास, तो मेरे पास उसका भी एक सोल्यूशन है. Essential oils, but ensure it is essential oil and not diffuser oil. Essential oil is very different from diffuser oil. So जो food grade के essential oil हैं, 1 drop or 2 drop in your bottle of water, lemon specially, या जैसे आपने कहा खीरा, so you can choose which flavor you like, and it is the most naturally flavored water that you will get. एंड क्योंकि वो ऑयल होगा आपका अंदर का, वो जो एक ऑयलिंग सिस्टम है हमारी बॉडी का, दैट विल ऑल्सो गेट वर्क एंड वो थोड़ा टेस्ट चेंज कर देता है. जस्ट शेयरिंग माई पर्सनल
All.
नोट,
Yeah,
आई
yeah.
हेट ड्रिंकिंग वाटर. आई जस्ट
Okay.
कांट ड्रिंक वाटर. तो ये मेरे छोटे छोटे नुस्खे निकाले थे अपने लिए, टू हाउ आई कैन एड हाइड्रेशन इन माई
All
लाइफ.
right, all right. Okay. That's I think again. See again when we talk about, see, when you talk about chakras, when I'm talking about some psychological aspects, I think not just one thing can add up everything, right? So it is
Very true.
holistically we need to see that, like, from which angle and from where we can pick up the sources, we can, like, think logically and we can move ahead. So there is nothing on the rocket science, but definitely, see, we all are aware, we all are quite aware that when we are irritated, there is something which is not going good with us. When there is, like, when there is regular headaches, when it's regular BP issues, there is definitely one thing which is bothering a lot, and that one thing doesn't have that one solution. You need to see from every end of your corner that where we can put the things and keep us better at, like, the best ones.
True. So from chakras angle, I think we discussed aromas. Aromas में आप sandal ले सकते हैं, jasmine, lavender.
Okay.
All these three help out a
And
lot
even
in
these can be used with kids as well. When I talk
with
about,
kids
like,
as well, with pets also. There are certain fragrances you cannot use with pets, especially dogs. Dogs are pets are very sensitive to aromas. तो lavender, jasmine, sandal ये बहुत ही universal fragrances हैं. Easily you can use them
all
across the house.
okay,
From food perspective, as we've already discussed, hydrating foods which are light on your stomach, especially around this time. अब कुछ चीजों का ना ताप होता है, आयुर्वेदा में ताप बोलते हैं, गरम, उनको अंदर से वो गरम करते हैं. सो जैसे हल्दी वाला दूध इस टाइम पर मत पिए, हल्दी का ताप हमेशा गर्म होता है. हम अपनी सब्जी में जितना डाल रहे हैं उतना इट्स गुड, but especially if you're drinking a lot of haldi, in taking haldi in water or something, then that becomes a little problematic. Naak se khoon aana, it becomes a very normal thing. So be a little careful on the herbs, क्योंकि कुछ herbs, even अदरक का ताप जो होता है वो थोड़ा गर्म होता है,
right,
सौंफ का. So just be a little careful how you're consuming. वही चीज पानी में डिप करके या एक कुकिंग में जब यूज होती है तो उसका ताप ठीक हो जाता है. So
even
how are we?
the healing ones, like when I talk about the sounds chakras, when I talk
Oh
about the
yes.
sounds energy, I think
Fantastic, you brought that up. Yeah, yeah.
yeah.
So I
Because
think the
I was
easiest,
reading these things lately, so I got to know that, like, the sound therapy, it works wonderfully.
huge, huge. So देखिए 5 senses हैं basically, and
Yes.
what we suggest is कि जो भी आपकी 5 senses में से सबसे strongest senses है. So for me, for example, I'm a creative person, तो eyes
All
and
right.
sound were the two first ones. The second for me, the second ring is for nose
Okay.
and what I'm speaking. क्योंकि जब हम बोल रहे हैं तो वो भी एक sound है which is
Right, right.
impacting us eventually. So sound healing में सबसे आसान और सबसे free method, that you can start from today itself is YouTube. Generally हम सबके phones में YouTube होता है. All you have to do is go search for 7 chakra healing meditation या sleep music.
All
स्लीप म्यूजिक. एंड रात को सोने से पहले आप ऑन करके सो जाइए. सो व्हेन यू स्टार्ट waking up in the morning, music का असर for people who like music is usually anything between 10 days.
we can relate this.
So 10 days to 20 days में you will start seeing the difference and how you are handling the same trigger of heat very differently. You will start seeing कि आपका sweating जो है, अगर आप excessively sweat कर रहे थे तो अब आप उतना excessively sweat नहीं कर रहे हैं, आपकी सांस नहीं फूल रही है. You will start seeing that immediate difference within 10 to 20 days with music. Every day 8 hours in the night, जो आपका सोने का टाइम था, जो हम कुछ नहीं कर रहे होते जब, that can turn into a healing time. So that's the easiest way to start.
Nowadays, so I have even seen, like, even with the newborns, this sound therapy has been started just to calm them.
साउंड थेरेपी इज प्रूवन अक्रॉस द वर्ल्ड. मतलब इसके ऊपर तो इतना रिसर्च हो चुका है अब कि थैंकफुली आई डोंट हैव टू डिस्कस टू मच कि ये काम करेगा कि नहीं. विद क्रिस्टल्स एंड ऑल वी स्टिल हैव टू डिस्कस अ लॉट.
Lately I was just going through with, like, number of concepts which is relating with this healing energies, like, cosmetics, cosmos, something energy healings. So, like, I just, like, went through with these concepts of healing, then sound energy, then when it comes around the sound therapy. So it's wonderfully linked, like, it's wonderfully linked with your brain waves, with your neurotransmitters. And definitely once your brain waves and the neurotransmitters is giving you those happy hormones, nothing else can beat you with anywhere. So
So I'll just take another second here and share कि साउंड थेरेपी का वाटर के साथ में क्या इम्पैक्ट हुआ है. तो जब आप रात को ये यूज कर रहे हैं यूट्यूब का म्यूजिक या you're using a singing bowl or you're using tuning forks or tuning pipes, अगर आप एक ग्लास या एक बॉटल में पानी रख लेते हैं वहीं पे,
okay,
water changes its inner molecules change its shape. They
okay,
adapt.
all right.
So water becomes a healer. वही पानी अब आपको डबल लेवल का इम्पैक्ट दे देगा because now that water is getting charged. उसको हम charged water बोलते हैं. So that is how simple it is to charge your water. कोई rocket science नहीं है. It's very simple. जब भी आप ये healing music लगा रहे हैं, और if you are not even able to put the healing music, for example, तो आपने ग्लास पकड़ा पानी का, just mention to the glass of water, please help me balance myself. The water will change its impact for you.
That's wonderful. See, so many things are there around us, but generally it
इसीलिए तो that is why let's all come together.
yes.
So coping strategies, I think any first aid tips, first aid मतलब एकदम quick tips जो जैसे एकदम heat में हम लोग को हो रहा है, palpitation शुरू हो गया है या हमें कोई issue start हो गए, so what can be the first aid at that time would you recommend?
First thing again is to have a sip of water. Very first thing. Because till the time you're not able to calm yourself, nothing can work. Like, the very first and the healing step is that the inner energy should relax themselves. So, like, for them, again, I'll come to a very basic step, that is just have a sip of water. Like, avoid the situations where, like, the heat is getting excess, or might be like, you are in that extreme zone. Please totally avoid those things. Try to be more at work. Like, if you are like, if your nature of job is that you have to go, that is something. Again, like, there are multiple ways where you can switch the work, where you can switch your energies and then work it accordingly. Do not even think to go in the peak hours outside, because nothing can help you out otherwise. Like,
True.
and someone has written headaches due to heat. I can totally relate that, because I am a person with the migraine. So I know that, like, heat is like, it actually works as a disaster to me, because immediately if I am, like, entrapped with the heat, yes, this problem starts with me. So try to avoid these situations. See, these are the very simple things. There is nothing psychological, or there is nothing rocket science. If I know that, like, a particular temperature is not suiting me, so definitely the very first thing is I have to avoid it. I can't deal with it. And the second case, if you can't avoid it, see, it can even happen that you are not able to avoid it. You have to go, because the nature of job is accordingly. So make sure that you are carrying everything. Make sure that you are wearing your gloves, you're, like, wearing your sun visors, you're having the bottle full of, again, alkaline water made at home only. Simply just puts number of things, and, like, keep that water, like, along with you. Make sure that, like, the temperature where you are sitting after reaching is not extremely cold. Jate hi, please make sure that you're not sitting inside the ACs. Let your body cool down. Have a, like, good glasses of water. Make sure that the inner energies have automatic, like, they have changed. Then only change to that changing environment and the temperature.
So I'll just add 1-2 tips. जैसे मैं क्या करती हूँ, I have a lavender spray with me.
Okay.
तो lavender and jasmine या sandal के roll-ons या इतर you can keep in your bag. You can just rub them in your heat points. You can spray them in your hand and do a deep puff. ऐसे करके. Instantly you will feel the relaxation coming. So you can just trial ke लिए, you can keep 2-3, see which aroma is working for you. Especially the people who are going through migraines. Migraines में aromatherapy and sound therapy have been known from a scientific research also that they are impactful.
But
So
I want to just add one thing, that, like, at times it happens that when you're having an extreme headache, like, those particular fragrances also, like,
yes, very true. Very true. So उस time पे if you're not a person that fragrance works for you, avoid it.
Okay.
But if that is what works for you, then awesome. Then you have one
That
tool.
depends on person to person.
That depends on person. So suppose if sound is helping you, so then what mantra is working for you? You can play that, or you can play the frequency music of third eye. क्योंकि आपको headache हो रहा है, so this is the region. So third eye या crown chakra का music frequency on YouTube, you can just simply search crown chakra music, third eye chakra music, and you can just let it play in the background. अब क्या होता है इन चीजों में ना, कुछ ना ट्यूनिंग भी होती है आपकी बॉडी के, क्योंकि अगर आप रोज रात को ये सुन रहे हैं तो आपकी बॉडी इतनी ट्यून हो जाती है दैट इट देयर इज एन इंस्टेंट इम्पैक्ट आफ्टर सर्टेन डेज. आई हैव पीपल जिन्होंने मुझसे सिंगिंग बोल लिया, एंड क्योंकि वो रोज सिंगिंग बोल बजा रहे थे, द इम्पैक्ट इज सच कि उन्होंने अपने टेबल पे रखा हुआ है ऑफिस के, उसको देखने से वो डिस्ट्रेस फील करते हैं. क्योंकि नाउ सब कॉन्शियसली और ब्रेन इज वायर्ड कि यार ये मुझे डिस्ट्रेस कर रही है चीज.
This is something known as conditioning, right? So that is a subliminal conditioning where we are working on. Okay, I understand that completely.
सो अगर सपोज हम ये भी नहीं कर पा रहे, हम क्लाइंट मीटिंग, जैसे मैं क्लाइंट मीटिंग में बहुत जाती हूँ, आई ट्रैवल फ्रॉम गुड़गांव टू दिल्ली एट ऑल आवर्स फॉर क्लाइंट मीटिंग्स. सो वन द सेकंड टिप दैट आई हैव केप्ट इज स्क्रीन सेवर्स. आपका स्क्रीन सेवर आप कुछ फोन का ऐसा लगा ले which calms you down, like mountains calm me down. So I have a couple of screen savers that have mountains. You can have jasmine flowers, you can have lavender flowers, whatever helps you calm down. You can just keep that. So for 2 minutes, you can just, up again, you know, same thing that you had mentioned, meditation अगर करने की हमें आदत है, तो हमें 2 मिनट लगेंगे उसको एकदम फोकस करके अपने स्क्रीन को, उसमें से वो एनर्जी निकालने के लिए. And water, of course, you already mentioned.
Absolutely, wonderfully. Thank you. I will definitely make sure that now at least I have certain things. Apart
सबके स्क्रीन सेवर चेंज हो रहे हैं आज. So, any other questions if people have, Neha, if you have something more to share, it will be very nice.
I think, like, you know, on this, like, you know, small conversation of heat waves with the mental health, I will say please make sure that keep the warning signs alert from your end. Do not ignore them. Like, you know, that's the first step which you need to be very conscious about. Like, if you're like, you know, if you're feeling that there is something which is not going okay, please make sure that, like, you know, you're going to talk with the experts. Because, like, you know, at times your home people solutions or might be talking with your friends or, like, you know, your family will not give you the right step to the right solution. So this is a simple thing which definitely I would like to say to everyone. And rest, if, like, you know, anyone have any question with you, please just pin down that question. We would like to take it up and solve it.
बिल्कुल, for sure. Just DM either Neha or me. Between us, we'll get back to you. I just realized crystals I haven't touched, from people who believe in crystal therapy and the power of the frequency that they emit. Especially the ones who are having headaches or migraines as an issue, you can look at the dark blue crystals, which is lapis, which can be very effective, and especially keeping them like a pendant around your head area.
With you after this.
For sure, you know, whatever helps that works.
No, but sure, Anupama, we will make sure that the next live session we will keep it on stress, because that is again a very
yes
topic. And definitely, like, you know, a lot of people are genuinely suffering from that issue, but they're not
True.
able to understand what to say, where to say, what signs to look for, what coping
Very true.
strategies they can go for. And, like, you know, again, like, you know, like, there are a number of other things which we can add on this topic, along with, of course, a crystal healing, sound therapy, and also definitely, like, you know, the therapies which work for the stress like, you know, the stress levels.
Bilkul. In fact, I'll request anybody who's watching this now or later, you can also suggest us some topics that you would want us to take up. We would love to take them. Nandini ka ek question aaya hai, Neha, which is any therapy to boost confidence. So I'll do the chakra wala baad mein, but I would want to hear from you first.
See, therapy to boost confidence, there is no as such a therapy for that. But definitely to boost your confidence, there are certain steps which you need to follow, right? You need to be, see, no matter what topic you are going with, no matter what life situation you are going with, make sure that you are very clear with your thought process. Very first thing is your rational approach. That I say to everyone. See, confidence automatically comes when you are very rational, when you are thinking logically. When I know my capabilities and capacity and I'm going opposite to that, that definitely won't give you me any solution in the future or might be in the present. So there is no as such a therapy, but yes, there are certain steps which you can take. The very first is be rational with your thought process. Second is make sure that you are not a overthinker, because again, if you're overthinking, you're definitely losing your confidence because you're building an iceberg which is not for you, right? So these are again the things which I will add up. And the third is definitely make sure that your capabilities and capacities, you are more aware than the other people. So please pen down certain things which you know you can do. It is not about what others are saying, but it is about your own indeed and the personal things. And rest, definitely go for certain counseling, sessions that will help you a lot to gain confidence, to understand your inner self more clearly. And the one once, your inner self is clear to you, you will definitely have a good outer self, so that automatically boosts your confidence.
वेरी ट्रू. फ्रॉम माई एंड मैं अपना एक टिप शेयर करूंगी जो मैंने पर्सनल लाइफ में यूज करा, बिकॉज यू नो आई हैव बीन वर्किंग फॉर 25 years इन द कॉर्पोरेट वर्ल्ड
Okay.
एंड काफी कटथ्रोट होता है, without doubt, comes with its own stresses, comes with its own politics. So what I found very helpful was SWOT analysis. हम कंपनीज के लिए करते हैं, अपने लिए कर ले. SWOT का मतलब होता है आपके स्ट्रेंथ्स आप लिस्ट आउट कर लीजिए. लिखने का एक अलग ही फायदा होता है. वी आर ऑल ओल्ड स्कूल. लिख लीजिए what are your strengths, 5 strengths at least minimum, if not 10. You should identify which you feel are fantastic about you. What are those 5 to 10 weaknesses that you would want to work on, which you feel are weaknesses that you would want to improve or change in you?
Yes.
What are the 5 to 10 opportunities that you feel about you? कि मेरी लाइफ में ये opportunities हो सकती हैं given the kind of person I am. So that is one way. From chakra healing perspective, confidence हमारे root chakra के साथ immediately जुड़ता है. However, I always feel कि confidence एक ऐसा शब्द है, like you've said, it is overall. So आपके 7 चक्रास जो है, क्योंकि रूट चक्रा हिलेगा तो आपके ऊपर की सारी कहानी अपने आप हिल जाएगी, आपकी जड़ ही कमजोर हो गई तो. So root chakra therapy, which is red color, black color, rum is the mantra. Then accordingly the foods will come for root chakra. Elephant is your animal totem for root chakra. You can keep a big elephant around you, or you can have an elephant painting in your space. So इस तरह के काफी टिप्स एंड ट्रिक्स हैं टू फॉलो अराउंड रूट चक्रा. स्मेल्स हो गए, विच इज रोज. रेड कलर के फ्लावर्स की टीज हो गई, हाइबिस्कस, व्हाट यूर ड्रिंकिंग, व्हाट यूर ईटिंग, व्हाट यूर स्मेलिंग. तो इस एंगल से यू कैन गो फॉर इट. यू कैन हियर रूट चक्रा म्यूजिक फॉर एटलीस्ट 1 month सोते हुए, एंड देन स्विच बैक टू द 7 चक्रा म्यूजिक सोते हुए. So that can work.
Yeah,
Walking in nature.
Even we do in psychology. We do.
Nice. I've been somewhere I've been on the correct path.
Again, same. Okay.
So natural sounds are very good. Walking in nature is very good. But please, इस मौसम में walk in nature जब रात के समय or something. So these are some tips and tricks for confidence. बाकी तो I think it is a process that as you said, Neha, it is so important. Chakra healing के साथ actually मैंने वही देखा है. It just switches you. It turns you into you. You become so inner focused कि आप कौन है, कि वो automatically आपके अंदर की पूरी personality ही change हो जाती है थोड़े दिन
We
में.
as human don't understand that the concept of rationality begins from within. So we need to be very logical what we are saying. Like suppose if I'm a very average student, I will not definitely the society will demand कि 100 on 100 नहीं आए ना तो इस college में admission नहीं होगा. But then I need to understand that do I have that capability that I can score 100 on 100 in any particular subject or a field or any XYZ. So please make sure that you know your inner thing, and then only you can work for best.
I think India में I was very lucky. I had a father who completely left me free. I was in A grade in DPS, which meant that you were ultimately going to take science. But I decided मुझे नहीं करना भाई. ये maths और chemistry especially was a nightmare in my life. तो उन्होंने मेरे को बिल्कुल खुली छूट दी थी. He was like कि जो करना है वो करो. तुमको स्पोर्ट्स में जाना है, I was a very good athlete. तुम स्पोर्ट्स में जाओ बेटा, मुझे कोई स्ट्रेस नहीं है. बट जो करो उसमें पूरा मन लगा के करो, पूरे फोकस से करो. एंड आई डोंट नो कितने लोगों को ये अपॉर्चुनिटी मिलती है. A lot of people feel that फाउंडेशन की यार मुझे यही करना है या मुझे ऐसे ही आगे बढ़ना है लाइफ में, सो वो कहीं ना कहीं आपको आगे जाके आपके रूट चक्रा को इम्पैक्ट करता है. Lots of such growing up issues, that we have gone up
Just
with.
one more question.
Yeah,
Like,
Nandini asked if root chakra is different for genders. It's gender neutral. So for both, for any gender, even for animals, root chakra is red or black. Same crystals, same aromas, same food, everything is same. बच्चों में आजकल स्पेशली क्या हो रहा है, रूट चक्रा का इम्बैलेंस जो एक आता है, विच इज ओवर कॉन्फिडेंस. They become because they are so overexposed
very true.
to
Very true.
different cultures from across the world. एंड क्या है, वो कल्चर्स बहुत डिफरेंटली कितने जनरेशन से चल रही है, हमारी कल्चर थोड़ा डिफरेंटली चल रही है. सो व्हेन दे आर सो ओवरली एक्सपोज टू कल्चर्स विच आर वेस्टर्न और इवन टिपिकल ईस्टर्न, बहुत ही डिफरेंट. आजकल साउथ कोरियन कल्चर का बहुत ज्यादा कॉन्सेप्ट आया हुआ है इंडिया में. अब वो कल्चर कुछ चीजों में बहुत थोड़ा इंडिया के जैसी है और थोड़ा डिफरेंट है, तो वहां से ना कॉन्फिडेंस के इश्यूज आ रहे हैं बच्चों में. सो अगेन बैलेंसिंग.
I agree with that. That's very well defined answer, I think. Is there
अरे
anything from anyone?
I think that is it. So आज की गर्मी भरा टॉपिक जो है, but I love this conversation because I think people can save this conversation even for winters. It's not just about heat. It is about the fluctuating seasons.
Right.
So let's plan the next one on stress. Anyone else has any ideas?
Let's even ask from the people.
Yes.
They can drop us the message to us that, like, which topic they would like to listen, they would like to understand more. It can be, I think, stress, anxiety, no matter. It can be your, like, rational versus irrational thinking. So any topic which you think that, okay, it will be good to listen and understand, please let us know so that we can work on and we can come back with live and discuss the things which were required.
And with Neha, especially from my side, I'll definitely add traumas because I really would love to hear your views on traumas, and it's so impacting.
We can plan soon, in fact. Let's plan soon the topic. I think let's close it with the concept of trauma for the next live.
Done.
Right?
Okay, lovely this chat with you.
Thank you. Same here, and I think it is actually required because see, like what all you are saying and what all I have thought and said on live, I think it's very connected because again, like we are talking about our own physical body with the psychological effects. So definitely let's come live again on the topic trauma. I will definitely keep this make sure that soon we are going to be live on this topic.
Thank you Neha. Thanks all the viewers for joining us, taking out time.
Thank you for giving me the time and giving us so wonderful knowledge on chakras.
Thank you.